G'day, it's Martin from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today we've had the pleasure of working on a brand new BMW X5 model G05, which has just landed in the country, and we had a chance to install a 3.5 ton rated Westfalia invisible and detachable Towbar. I'll show you how it works. So at the moment the vehicle's got Towbar detached, and as you can see, the Towbar, apart from the gooseneck which is on the ground, is completely invisible. What we need to do to attach it on: locate the hole, and the Towbar arrives. You just slide it in, and the electrics are hidden inside the bumper, so they come out as well on a little bracket. It's a 13-pin connector there. So these Towbars are considered a OEM equipment. They are delivered with the vehicle from the factory like that in Europe. It's a quick release detachable Westfalia Towbar, which is invisible when removed. It was a great pleasure today to be working on such a nice car and install the Towbar without cutting the bumper, without damaging the car in any shape or form, and with keeping to the manufacturer's specifications for the Towbar and for the wiring and the tow module itself. If you need a Towbar for your BMW X5, feel free to visit australiatowbars.com.au or give us a call on 075479 5555. Other than that, enjoy your day and thank you for watching. Cheerio!